In this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. To get started, go ahead and open TradingView on your device so you can actually open their mobile app or access their website. In here, go ahead and select Chart on the tab section since the broker's list can't be viewed on the menu section. So on the chart section, you'll be able to find the current activity of specific cryptocurrencies. Click on the trading button, and in here you'll be able to find the trusted brokers of TradingView. Now in here, go ahead and click on Bitget since what we want to connect with our TradingView account is our Bitget account, and this will pop up on your screen. So in this area, you'll need to enter your API key along with your passphrase. Now after you enter that information, go ahead and hit on that connect button to connect your Bitget account to your TradingView account. So Bitget serves as a broker on TradingView that you can actually use to deposit funds from your existing wallet into TradingView, and that is how you can simply connect TradingView to Bitget. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.